this is how I don't wanted my ride to start, and exactly that happened. Oh yes guys, tomorrow we are planning to go for a quick ride. I think around 250 kilometers from here. Round trip is going to be maybe 500 kilometers, which is a pretty cute ride. But then it's been like really long since we've all ridden. I mean, I went to Uttarakhand and all that, but my other friends, they feel like riding a lot. I was busy with something else this week, but then I said, chalo, rides are more important for me than anything else, right? So yes, tomorrow we're gonna plan for this quick ride, just a one night stay. Actually, we can go in the morning and come back in the night itself, but then we decided we'll stay at least for a night. And more importantly, this time, finally, Sriman is gonna take his Street Twin. I wanted to see a different dash. I've decided to take the Street Twin. Let's ride the Classic. And also the good part is I need not take a lot of luggage. Just one day, so I think I can manage it on the Street Twin. The roads are pretty good. But after looking at this message, my friend's bike doesn't start. If you don't switch on your bike regularly, this is what happens. Last when I switched on the Street Twin was literally when I got it back from the first service. Abhi tak I didn't switch it on. Even the Tiger. And after looking at his message, definitely tomorrow the bike should start, right? Instead of getting up tomorrow and then realizing my bike doesn't start, let's go do a little bit of checkup, check if everything is fine, and main thing, chain lube. I've never lubed the chain, but recently the service was, so I think they might have done it. But let's give it a check before getting surprises in the morning. Oh, quickly, 1 second, I forgot to tell you guys something. Forgot to give the intro. What's up guys, kaise ho? Elana, hope everyone's doing great. Been long, right? Also, just came back from the gym. Nice arm workout, biceps, triceps, and little bit of cardio. Let's go take a shower, then go switch on the bikes, and let's see what the day has to offer. Slowly sun is getting brighter and brighter in Hyderabad, and temperature is also getting hotter and hotter, but still manageable. Nights it is pretty fine. Mornings it is like pretty hot. Raat mein it is actually cold. It's still cold, 16-17 degrees. I mean, Srimankotaru is now used to extreme colds, like minus. We stayed in -1 at Uttarakhand, and uske baad bhi Delhi and all, it was like pretty cold, dude. So cold ke baare mein no complaints. That to Hyderabad cold is like, let's forget that. Here is my beautiful, cute little mobile size Street Twin. Let's switch it on. Even if it is like the latest bike and the newest bike, you still need to start your bikes at least once a week. Good for the engine. Obviously it is like 900cc 900cc Bonneville modern classic. I don't even feel that I have this bike, dude. So let's start it up, and after that let's check the chain. Iska chain that side, right? I don't know why, but classics have the chain that side. Tiger ka chain is left side. Battery and all is perfect, but it is always a good practice to start your bike just before the ride, at least one day before. Okay, let it run for some time. Meanwhile, let's switch on the baby, the beast, the dark horse. Seriously, I don't know why it's not starting. It doesn't start, dude. What am I doing wrong? You know, sometimes the clutch switch, it's stuck. It's only when you engage the clutch the bike starts, but somehow it doesn't start. Seriously? Okay, the bike successfully started. So two things you have to keep in mind, especially if it's kind of an old bike. Number one, you see this switch here? This is the clutch. That is the clutch safety switch. If it is not released properly, then it will not start. That is one thing. Second thing is side stand sensor. If that is also not released properly, then it will not start. So what I did is I tried the clutch switch. It is fine. Next I tried jerking the side stand switch, and then started. You know, it is important to know all these things. Knowledge is power. Tiger ka chain is a little bit dry, but I don't think I'll be lubing it now. But actually I forgot to check the Street Twin. Next bike should definitely be a shaft driven. I mean, it's okay, maintaining the chain is pretty fine, but I mean, lubing the chain every 500-600 kilometers is absolutely fine, but when you're doing like long rides pretty frequently, you get irritated doing this. Iska chain, it's fine, I don't need to lube it, I guess. So all good, let's ride tomorrow. For one day, what am I gonna pack and all that, I'll show it in the next vlog. For now, we have something more interesting and important to do. Let's talk in the car now. Oh, by the way, new shoes. And these are one of my favorite Nike Jordans. I know what you people are thinking. Sriman is going mad buying shoes and shoes and shoes. I'm mad about bikes, I'm mad about cars, I'm mad about my gadgets and shoes. I've already told that. I have to thank my trainer for gifting me these. He was very impressed with my transformation and he said, Sriman, I would like to gift you not only for the hard work you're doing, your dedication, but also because it's your birthday. Thank you, Zeshan, for giving me these beautiful shoes. And the funny part is, I was actually looking at the same shoes. I don't know how. I asked Zeshan, dude, did you install some virus in my phone? How do you know that exactly I'm seeing these shoes? He sends me a link and says, Sriman, do you like these shoes? I would like to gift you these. And come on, dude, that's the sensitive part. If someone tells me, Sriman, I would like to gift you shoes, how can I say no? I wanted to say no, but shoes, dude, that to Nike Jordans. By the way, Charan is gonna get a new bike for himself. It's not a bike, but it's an electric bike, electric scooter. It's called the Ather 450X, which I've reviewed recently. He was interested in this bike since almost like last year. He already booked it and then he cancelled it, again booked it. Finally, he's taking the delivery today. Hope someday they release EV adventure tourers, electric adventure tourers, and maybe I'll be the first one to buy that. Finally, as you can see, road bhi khatam ho gaya and even the divider is here, along with the street lamps and all that. Atal tunnel of Hamara Malkajgiri is almost done, 98% done. Whoa, looks beautiful. Okay, finally reached. And by the way, in case you guys are wondering why am I here at the Jeep showroom, actually this is Pride Jeep. These people run the Ather dealership as well in Hyderabad. Got the point, right? Waiting for Charan. Once he comes, let's go take the delivery of the new scooter. Bike बोल के आ रहा. There is Charan. Four-wheeler EV to two-wheeler EV. There is his Nexon. Four-wheeler EV నుంచి two-wheeler EV కంటున్నా. అంటే ఆటోమేటిక్ వెళ్ళిపోతుంది అట్లా. టెస్లానా? వాచ్ నుంచి కంట్రోల్ చేస్తున్నా. ఇంటికి వెళ్ళిపోమని చెప్పా. వాచ్ లో బ్యాటరీ ఉందా? బ్యాటరీ నాకు చైతన్యకు కావాలి. వాడొకడు ఇప్పుడు రైడ్ కి ముందు బ్యాటరీ లేదు, స్టార్ట్ కావట్లేదు. రెడీ we can just go take the delivery. He was saying afternoon once the payment is done, you can take the bike. Too fast, bro. It's too fast. Are we waiting for anyone or is it just you and me? Actually, we are bored with deliveries, so yeah, I don't think so. We didn't even like properly invite anyone. We can check in the group if anyone's coming. Otherwise, we'll go sit in a coffee shop. I'll go check them. Sharon, you like corporate offices like these? You know, I thought in my life I'll be somewhere doing all this, giving corporate presentations and all. అవెంజర్స్ మూవీలో హల్క్ ఇలా పరిగెత్తుకుంటూ క్రాష్ చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళిపోతాడు. మనకు అవే వస్తారా? Seriously, నేను actually Google me, I did some presentations, you know. I was a trainer there, so I used to give presentations like these. Projector వేసుకొని, people, you need to do this. Same line 2 ఏళ్ళు MBAలో అప్పుడు అవన్నీ. But we ended up doing this. Speaking of bikes, speaking of cars and deliveries. Congrats. Thank you. This how's the color? This is something I really like. The color is very different. It's called pista green. Mint green. Mint green. Okay. There is a grey, a matte grey, and matte black, grey, space grey. Space grey, black, white, and this mint green. White is also good actually, but this is something very different. Full jackass. ఎక్కడ పోయినా నువ్వే కనిపిస్తావు. నైస్. ఓ యూ గాట్ ఆరెంజ్ వీల్స్ డూడ్. So are we doing anything or just rolling out? I think so. Are we blasting any crackers or something? Not right now. No cake, no pastry, nothing. Just kidding. We are on a diet anyway. So you want cake? Hey, Desi style, you shouldn't remove, dude. Yeah, put it in. Shouldn't remove cover for at least 1-2 months. You're gonna keep this. For intikelli? Yeah, Charan, actually, this cover undalra. It should have been covered. You can put a screen guard on. Right, yeah. I just guide you through everything. Hey, Parme. No, that's a helmet. Complimentary helmet you're getting.
Open the boot and SOC of the battery.
Okay.
Charan street ki బాగుంటది helmet. Half face. That is a charger, is it?
Yes, sir. It's a portable charger.
Engine starter, please.
Come on, bro.
Charan ka pura engines will be silent. Please don't drive
I
hard.
had so much noise in life. I want peacefulness.
Abba. Don't drive it too hard, dude.
ముందుకు వెళ్ళిపోద్దు.
సౌండ్ ఎక్కువ అవుతుంది మళ్ళీ సౌండ్ పొల్యూషన్ అంటారు. ఇప్పుడు అనండి రా సౌండ్ పొల్యూషన్, ఇప్పుడు అనండి ఎయిర్ పొల్యూషన్. బ్యాటరీ ఫుల్
బ్యాటరీ 1% తగ్గిపోయింది.
జల్లి పోని ఆగిపోతుంది మరి. Bro, you need to ride it in not eco mode, put it in walk mode. Oh, yes.
50 era.
Okay, eco is showing 84, 99% battery. And when you put it in
Slide కాదు.
walk mode, it goes to 50 kilometers range. చాలు మన ఇంటి వరకు వెళ్ళిపోద్ది, మళ్ళీ బ్యాక్ కూడా రావచ్చు.
అది ప్లాన్. We'll come and test. Actually, as per tradition, Charan, we should go to the temple, right? Peddamma temple పక్కనే ఉంది. Actually, మర్చిపోయాం.
ఇన్ని డెలివరీలు తీసుకుంటే ఇట్లానే ఉంటుంది.
వెళ్ళి చేయించుకున్నాం. అది కూడా అయినా ఇప్పుడు.
So Charan, are you ready for the trip tomorrow?
One day.
I hope your bike doesn't have battery issues. Yours is also BMW 850 GS. వీడు అప్పుడప్పుడు తీస్తాడులే బండి.
I'm used to battery issues here. But the one bike never had any battery issues.
One bike?
The 850 never had any battery issues.
Your 850 didn't have any issues in general, except the radiator issue is.
But I take it out almost every week, unlike Chaitanya.
Luckily it was under warranty, radiator. Otherwise it would cost you 60,000-70,000 to replace the radiator. Oh, by the way, talking about the cost, how much did the Ather cost?
Not that much. Ather 1.7.
1.7 on road. And the thing is, it seems
No road tax.
no road tax from today,
Yesterday.
which means you're gonna save 12,000 at least.
I saved 8,000 on this bike. It's only 7% on EVs.
Oh, 7% road tax.
14% కట్టావు కదా.
కట్టాల్సి వచ్చింది, ఏం చేస్తాం, అది కూడా పెట్రోల్ బండి, అందులో పెట్రోల్ బాగా పెరిగిందంట.
Hear this. Mercedes EQC is 10 lakhs cheaper now because no road tax.
కానీ బండి కూడా 1 crore ఏమో కదా. మర్సిడీస్ ఫస్ట్ కార్ పెట్రోల్ కొందాం, తర్వాత ఆలోచిద్దాం వేరే ఎలక్ట్రిక్ వరకు. ఫస్ట్ బైక్తో స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం. సరే, వై డోంట్ యూ గెట్ ది ఏథర్ టుమారో ఫర్ ద రైడ్? చోటా రైడ్ ఏనా?
We'll do that experiment later on.
On the Ather? Okay. Anyways, we are at this place called Macco Brew. అరే నైట్ కోసం రా.
ఓహో, ప్యూక్ చేస్తున్నా.
We have 6:30 p.m. conference who came at 7:30 p.m. today.
Hey, came at 7:30 only.
7:55, 8.
అరే గంట ఎవడు కూర్చున్నాడు రా నీతో?
Actually, he came and he was spending time with me. My other wife left after taking the Ather, but he forgot his new helmet, complimentary helmet.
బాగుందిరా.
Whether that's nice, dude. మన Triumph ఇయర్ ఇట్లా
లేదు, యాక్చువల్లీ అందరు ఇస్తున్నారు. ట్రయంఫ్ ఇవ్వరు కానీ లైక్ దీస్
BMW,
హీరో, హోండా వీళ్ళందరూ
Honda gives, yes.
సుజుకి ఇచ్చారు కదా వీడికి, సుజన్ గారికి.
Bergman.
బెలినో. అరే అది కార్ రా.
Balenoకి ఇవ్వాలి యాక్చువల్లీ. Going to eat a punagulu with punagulu parami Aditya.
దొరికితే.
Hey, by the way, how's your venue doing?
వెన్యూ ఇస్ గుడ్ బ్రో.
మైలేజ్ ఒకటే కొంచెం తక్కువ.
అమ్మో సాం శరణం.
6, 7, 9 मेरे देख 9.5.
11.5. 9.5. నాది
9.5 because I was driving not in sports mode but very slow driving.
లేకపోతే ఎంత ఇస్తుంది?
స్పోర్ట్స్ లో అంతే ఇస్తుంది. I mean, if traffic is moving.
నాది
very slow.
నాది ఎంత రా? నాది 11-12 మధ్యలో ఇస్తుంది.
The least I've seen is 3.
3. అరే
No, that is when you just start.
ఇస్తుంది రా ఇంకా 6.
No, I'll tell you. When you just start the engine and when it resets, when you move little bit, maybe
హైవే పైన మొన్న వెళ్ళినప్పుడు ఇట్ గేవ్ మీ లైక్ 18, 11.5 to 12, 13.
same. So even if there is a lot of traffic and if I drive it in eco, I get
11. 20 లక్షలు ఇచ్చిన అంతే ఇస్తుంది కదా.
140 BHP కాకపోతే
నేను 9 లక్షలు కొన్నా అంతే ఇస్తుంది. వాట్ ఇస్ మ్యాన్.
అందుకే పునుగులు తింటున్నాం ఇప్పుడు పోయి.
అది కూడా ఇందులో మళ్ళీ ఎక్కువ వస్తుంది కాబట్టి
కిలోమీటర్ ఎక్కువ.
సర్లేరా
మీ మేనేజర్తో కదరా ఏముంటాయిరా. సరే నువ్వు చదువు.
బాగా పాస్తా కుమ్ముతున్నాడు.
పోయి నువ్వు చదువురా.
మా గడ్వర్ సింగ్ ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాడు.
సార్
గండి కూడా సేమ్.
ఐ యూ రెడీ ఫర్ ద ట్రిప్ టుమారో?
రెడీ, బైక్ ఇస్ నాట్ రెడీ.
బ్యాటరీ ఇష్యూ. వీడి పేరు మారుస్తున్నా. బ్యాటరీ చైతన్య, నీ పేరు ఈవి చరణ్.
మైదా అది.
జస్ట్ నౌ వి గేవ్ అ న్యూ నేమ్ టు ఆదిత్య. It's called Maida Pindi Adi. Maida Pindi. No Adi. Maida Pindi. Haldiram's gaya tera. Edwin is, and we can't describe something happened very dangerous. No, we can't discuss that. Something happened that is not good for me. Especially for me and Chaitanya. Cheyagordu kashtam. Edwin, Charan, Chaitanya is gonna come for the ride, except the yellow dirty fellow is not gonna come. Obviously, I'm there, dude. I'm the host. Chinna passport, but oh, by the way, Charan gave us a party today.
అంతే అందరూ
చిట్కెళ్ళండి.
అందుకే ప్లేట్లు ఎక్కువ ఉన్నాయి.
అందరు రెండు ఆర్డర్ చేసారు అందుకే.
నువ్వు నేను చేయలే.
ఓకే, జల్దీ ఐఎమ్ ట్రైంగ్ టు ఫినిష్ ద బ్లాగ్ ఫాస్ట్ బికాస్ దే ఆస్క్డ్ us not to vlog here, not to use a big camera here. Okay? రేపు కనిపిద్దాం మరి బైక్స్తో.